Since a decade now, luxury in India has been growing in double digits. It's only last 2-3 years that this momentum of growth has slowed down a little bit. January 2020, COVID-19 impacts the entire universe. India felt its impact from March onwards. Luxury industry, of course, is not spared, along with other business segments. COVID-19 has taught us one big lesson, that we are all interconnected. We switched to research mode. We interviewed a group of people with equal representation for male and female, aged between 18 and 55 years. 20% of these respondents were from the age of 18 to 25. 28% were 25 to 35 age category, and balance 52% were from 35 upwards. Of these respondents, 70% are based from Bombay and Delhi. The remaining respondents are from the other metropolitan cities in India. The objective of this survey was to discover answers to certain burning questions of understanding how luxury consumption has got impacted during and post COVID-19. Did the very meaning of luxury change during COVID-19? 75% of respondents, they have become more and more mindful of their luxury purchases. They also explained that they would like to buy and experience luxury from brands which follow ethical practices. Would the frequency of consumption of luxury products change during COVID-19? 40% of respondents said that they would buy only when the need arises. 25% said they would buy once in 6 months. 20% will buy during traveling. Remaining 15% would consume once a year. We asked our respondents which category would they like to indulge in. There are no surprises here. Our findings are that they first prefer to indulge in cosmetics, makeup and fragrances, closely followed by watches and jewelry. Luxury is all about the entire experience while buying these products. Therefore, there were some brands which were shy or were not present on e-commerce platform. During COVID-19, of course, some brands who were not present have also experimented of being present and have embraced the digital world. When we asked the question to our audience about how many of them in the age category of 18 to 25 or 25 plus would indulge in buying a luxury watch priced about 3 lakhs, we were not surprised with the answer. 70% of this age category, are not interested and comfortable in buying a luxury watch online which is priced about 3 lakhs. 30% of this audience said they may indulge in buying it online provided they are very clear of the brand that they want to indulge in, and also are very clear in terms of the product and its availability. So if the brand manages to develop that kind of trust and relationship with the customer, then yes, no hesitation. When we asked women if they are open to buying luxury cosmetics online, we are not surprised and we are very happy to reveal this, that nearly 100% of women respondents would indulge in buying makeup, fragrances, cosmetics online, but priced below 10,000. The moment this price goes up about 10,000, their preference is to buy it in person or in physical format. When it comes to luxury handbags, 67% of the respondents still prefer to buy their handbag in physical format from the stores. They would like to touch, feel the product and then try out the product before indulging in this kind of luxury handbags. When it comes to travel, 60% of our audience prefer to postpone, if at all they need to travel internationally, to 2021. 30% of the audience are comfortable in traveling within the country, which is domestic travel. 5 to 7% of the audience are indulging in private jets. When would luxury go back to normalcy? 30% of your audience felt that it would get back to normalcy by 2021. 70% of the audience, they felt that it would take some time for luxury to bounce back to normalcy due to economic reasons, COVID-19. Also, because of COVID-19, there's no need for any social events or social gatherings, so luxury consumption would get reduced, is what they felt. There were some who were very uncomfortable in predicting anything, which was about 10 to 15%. But overall, 75% of the respondents felt that they would like to go to malls should the malls follow safety measures. Overall, we would definitely bounce back. 3 key takeaways from this research are: brands have to focus on stocks and its inventories. When it comes to communication, it's mandatory to pay attention and communicate on the values, brand ethos. Lastly, which we all know, phygital is the new normalcy.